Minnesota taxpayers could be on the hook for millions, depending on a judge's ruling in a major lawsuit. Chief political reporter Tom Hauser is live at the Capitol, where Attorney General Keith Ellison joined the lawsuit last month, opposing the merger of Paramount and Warner Brothers. Tom, what's this all about?
Yeah, Lindsay, this lawsuit was filed by Democratic attorneys general across the country seeking to block the merger between Paramount and Warner Brothers. But now Paramount is making an unusual request of the judge to have those states post a massive bond just in case the merger is ultimately approved.
You think you understand how this business works?
The proposed merger between Paramount and Warner Brothers sparked this lawsuit from a dozen Democratic attorneys general. They claim the $110 billion merger will extinguish competition between the two companies and inflict substantial harm on movie theaters, cable companies, and audiences, with the likely result higher prices and lower quality for consumers. Is this a legitimate use of taxpayer money to pursue litigation like this?
In some cases it is.
Hamline University law professor David Schultz says these lawsuits are often about protecting consumers, but have become increasingly political.
It's become more politicized. It's hard to argue that the merger would have a singular effect just in a few states.
And it could become expensive for the dozen states suing to block the merger. Paramount asked a judge to force the states to post a nearly $1.9 billion bond to protect the company against losses if the lawsuit fails. Is that something where taxpayers in these individual states might raise a lot of questions?
They might raise a lot of questions. First, the request for that bond is a little unusual. Minnesota could potentially be on the hook for tens of millions of dollars, if not hundreds of millions of dollars, in terms of its share of the bond. And it's not clear where they'd be getting that money. Attorney General Ellison responds in a statement by saying Paramount themselves agreed to postpone their merger. Their demand of a bond now reeks of desperation. Now, there is no timetable for when that California-based judge might make a ruling on this unusual bond request. Live at the state capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.
All right, Tom, thank you.